It's going, boy.
Let's go.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Oh, you look so artificial, bro.
Oh no, this is gonna go down there, huh?
Yeah, you jinxed it, buddy.
Yo, this dude complains that I've put in funny clips of him. He does it to himself, bro. What's up, guys? We're here with another video. We're here gonna be working on the Genesis again, and today we're gonna be installing EIBACH SportLine springs. These ones are used. I didn't buy them brand new. I bought them with stock struts and shocks, so it's gonna be easy install. We're just kind of pretty much replacing the two.
When you're getting springs, if you get these brand new, this would be your normal shock, right? Your strut. You would have to take this cap off, this hat, remove this bolt. Obviously, if it's gonna be an OEM spring that is gonna shoot out, the lowering springs are actually gonna be shorter than stock ones, so it's an easy install. I told you, call me Thor, bro. Single-handedly. Look, so Val did get a whole set of everything, but turns out that these shocks are from a second gen Genesis, and Val's is the first gen. Yeah. So the shocks actually they're different shocks. The mounting positions for the sway bars are different. So what we will do, we'll just pop these nuts out and we'll replace the springs just like they would be. And yeah, call it good. Call me Thor, bro. Friends. Now the races and vice versa. It's pretty simple, dude. The rears seem to be pretty simple. One of the bolts goes through the shock, and another one goes to the actual knuckle assembly. Gotta remove these, and in theory, it should drop down. Oh yeah. And that it. Put everything back the way it was, do the exact same thing on the other side, and enjoy. And there you have it, fam. It's a little bit lower, it's a little bit cleaner, probably be a little bit stiffer, yeah.
Gotta buy some spacers, so it's gonna look more flush as well. So.
Yeah, bruh. Woo!
Hell yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult was it? What would you rate the size?
Probably 7.5.
Really?
It's a 3, dude. It's super easy, bro. It's super easy. It's nothing crazy. That's it, huh? That's it for this one. Make sure to subscribe. If you have any tips or tricks that you could have done differently, let us know in the comments. It's gonna be better. But that's it for this one, dude. Stay tuned. We got so much more stuff coming still. I mean, you saw it first. The crankshaft's already out, bro. But yeah, there's a bunch of things coming still. Peace.